Hello everyone, myself Lohit Dalal, lecturer, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belgavi. Today I am going to discuss unit number 6, employment. Okay. So in this lecture, I am going to discuss what is employment, what are the causes of the unemployment. Okay. So here, what is employment? Okay. So employment, it is a relationship between two parties. Okay. Usually it is based on the contract. Okay. There should be a work should be paid for or where one party, okay, salary should be paid for one party, okay, and also which may be a corporation or a profit or a non-profit organization or a institutes or a cooperative, okay, entities. So there may be there should be a two entities, two persons are present, one is should be a employer, other is the employee, okay, and also employees work in a return for a payment which may be in the form of a hourly or a monthly or a annual salary, okay, and also employees in some fields or some sectors may receive the gratitude bonus payments or stock options, okay, and also the employment benefits are, they includes health insurances, housing, disability insurances or a gym, okay, and also employment is typically governed by employment laws and rules and regulations, and also legal contacts or a legal contracts will be there, okay, and also it is usually based on a contract only, one being the employer, another being the employee, okay, that is the employment. So unemployment is the situation where person is willing to work, okay, and also work to fail, okay, and also he is going to fail to find the job, that is known as the unemployment, okay, for his earns them to living, okay, and also unemployment means there is a lack of employment, lack of jobs, and also there the rate of unemployment varies over the wide range among different states of country or a different states of our India, okay. When a person does not get the full time work, he is known as a underemployment. When the productivity and income of a person increases by changing his occupation, he is also known the underemployed, okay. The causes of unemployment are, first one, defective education, okay. Defective education means the person who is going to find the job, okay, he may not having a technical skills, okay, the industrialists are searching, and also lack of full employment in the industry, okay, in nowadays in present days or okay, industries or industries are looking out for the experienced candidate and skilled workers, okay. So after completing the education, they don't have the practical knowledge, okay, so that is also one problem, that is also cause of the unemployment. And lack of alternative opportunities for agriculture workers, poor conditions of cottage industries, lack of transport and communication, okay, that is also a causes of the unemployments. The summary, in this session we have discussed employment and also causes of the unemployment. Thank you.